Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I thought I would show you how far my 71 Cutlass sedan's coming, and show you all the different parts. Alright, so I got the interior sprayed, did some detail on interior on the dash there, and the steering wheel. Got the shifter in there. Since the hood doesn't open, I just put basically the engine block in there, and looks good just like that with those wheels on there. And then got the body detailed. Got to detail the headlights and the turn signals, and figure out if I'm going to put door handles on or not. And detail the taillights and put some backing lights and license plate on it. That's what I got so far. So, yeah, I think next one I'll try. I'll spend a little bit more money on it, but because this was just basically the body, and you basically got to kit bash whatever parts you want into it. So, alright, guys, I thought I'd give you a little heads up and show you how far it is. So, thanks for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.